In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can actually make a decent profit selling stuff on eBay. I've seen many comments recently with people saying, Curve, I can't find any products that make me a decent profit. I'm looking at China wholesale places and everybody's already selling it cheaper on eBay anyway. How do I make any money? And that is the mindset of most eBay sellers. If you don't know how to sell, if you don't know how to make your eBay listings, if you don't know how to add value, then the only skill you have in your skill set, which is not a skill by the way, is being the cheapest. And if you're going to be the cheapest, then you're not going to make any money. Because you've got all these other sellers, hundreds, thousands of sellers, there might be 100 sellers selling the exact same item as you. And the only way for you to sell is to be cheapest. Is if that's all you know, you're not going to make any money because everybody, the only way they know how to sell is to be cheapest too. So they're all playing the cheap game. So he puts his price down, then you put your price down, somebody else puts their price down, and it's just a race to the bottom. And then nobody makes any money. And, a lot of the time you're going to be operating at a loss just to clear out all your inventory that you got, just to get rid of it. And if you're playing that cheap game, you're going to go out of business. I've seen it. I've nearly put myself out of business doing it. I've learnt the hard way. I've seen many other people go out of business doing it. And I've also studied many other eBay sellers that do it differently. They're not the cheapest, but they add value in a different way. And it's not really that difficult. It's a little bit you've got to learn. You use your imagination a little bit as well. What can you do differently from the opposition? How can you stand out? How can you be different? How can you offer something a little bit more? Maybe all your competition is sending everything next day. Maybe you can post it same day. Maybe you can do better pictures. Maybe you can do a better description. Maybe you can do a better title. There's so many different things that you can do to stand out and be better. That's going to make you stand out more than the other people. So you don't have to be the cheapest. So that's pretty much all I got for this video. Use your imagination, do a bit of research, learn how to be a good seller, and you're going to make some money. If you're just going to be the cheapest, you're going to go out of business. Don't even waste your time. If you're going into eBay thinking that you're going to be the cheapest at everything, you're going to get all the sales that way, you won't. Because everybody else is thinking the exact same thing as you. You're going to have to put your business head on, and you're going to have to think differently from all the sheep. If you think like a sheep, you're going to be a sheep. You're going to be part of the 99%. If you want to be in the 1%, you're going to have to start acting and behaving like you're in the 1%. It might be a little bit difficult to start with, but that's all I've got to say for this video. So guys, we will see you in another business video. Let me know what sort of things you want me to talk about. Do you want to see more eBay stuff? Do you want to see YouTube stuff? Do you want to see more general mindset stuff? What do you want to see? Let me know what you want to see. I'll see if I can deliver. All right, we'll see you in another video.